Have you ever got bitten by a cat? Well, if you're unlucky, there might be serious consequences, not just for you, but also for the feline. So stick around until the end as we find out what happens when a cat bites you. Both humans and other animals can become seriously injured by cat bites. All cats have lots of bacteria in their mouth that can infect the bite wound and cause tissue infections. A highly pathogenic bacteria called Pasteurella multocida is one of the most common that can cause infection. And an infected cat bite wound will be painful, swollen, and red. The infection can also spread through the blood to other parts of the body, leading to septicemia or cellulitis, which affects the tissue around the wound, and this is also called blood poisoning. So, why are cat bites so easily infected? When a cat bites you, its canine teeth readily pierces the skin and leaves behind tiny yet deep wounds. These holes quickly close up, trapping bacteria under the bite of the victim's skin, where they can grow easily. Cat scratches also cause a similar type of harm because the cat's exceptionally sharp and curved nail pierces the skin deeply and essentially injects microorganisms into the puncture site. So, what should you do right away if you get bitten? The wound needs to be cleansed under running water first of all. Avoid applying harsh disinfectants or other chemicals on the wound, since doing so could damage the tissue and slow the healing process. A mild salt solution can be used to clean the wound. To make this solution, combine 1 teaspoon of table salt with 2 cups of water. Then apply direct pressure to the wound with an absorbent bandage or dressing to stop the bleeding. Then schedule an appointment with your doctor right away, as a cat bite could result in harmful microorganisms penetrating your skin. Now, since severe infections can emerge if left untreated within 48 hours, it is best to visit a doctor as soon as you can so that the injury can be appropriately treated. Antibiotics will probably be recommended by your doctor to lessen the possibility of an infection. While most wounds won't require stitches, you might not always be so lucky. Additionally, a tetanus booster might be administered. Your doctor might also advise that you get a rabies medication depending on the nature of the bite and the circumstances surrounding it. Now finally, what happens to the cat? Well, the doctor will be compelled to submit a report to the Regional Department of Health in many areas. If the cat's rabies vaccination status is known and up to date, it will typically be subjected to a brief quarantine of 10 to 14 days, depending on the country location. So that is what happens if a cat bites you. I hope that you got your answer on this video. And in case you found the answer the hard way already, do share your experience in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you will be on the know with each new upload. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.